Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this will be the last module where we will do the board arrangement, okay, in Revit, something like this, okay. But first, I want to address this issue of this box. So we can, to solve this, we can click on this one and then edit family, and then if you click VV, if you press VV, then the visibility graphics option is on, and you can go to annotation and click on this one, show annotation, apply. Okay, here you can see that hidden box that we have been trying to delete. Okay, we delete it, load into project and overwrite, then suddenly everything now looks nice. Okay, the upper level also, upper level already okay. So now we go to the final sheet arrangement in Revit. Okay, so before doing the sheet arrangement, we need to make sure that, okay, we are going to put 3 plans, 1 section and 1 3D in on the sheet. So the plans are actually done, they are ready, level 1, level 2, and the last one, roof level. Okay, I think we missed something. We want to create a small parapet here. So what we can do is we can go to level 2, and then this is the roof line. We can go to architecture, wall, just a basic wall of 150, generic 150, and then we can draw one wall here, skip, and the other one here, skip. So for 150 MV, we want to move it 75, so it's right on the edge, and also MV, we want to move it 75, done. Look at the 3D, so far so good. We don't want them to be so high, so top offset we can go to minus 300, okay, more, minus 400, okay, and then for bottom offset we want to 225. Okay, so done. Now we go for the sheet arrangement. Everything is ready except for the 3D, which we are going to address later on. So if you scroll down here, you will see sheets all, and then you click on this one, A101 architectural floor plan. So we click on this one, and we can see the floor plan is already there. We just want to delete this one. For here, client name, we put DOA project name, Revit module based learning, and then this one, nothing. We can put a Azuma house. Okay, so now we are going to bring in the first one, which is the ground. We can go to the ground, and what we want to do is that, see, this is the box. If we now bring the ground floor here, it will come with the box, which we don't want. So we go to the ground floor, click on the box, and then we click on scope box, none, apply. Okay, then we'll be able to control the dimension of this box, the size of this box. Okay, done. and also we don't want to see this box, so the crop region visible. Okay, now what we can do, we can take the ground and we can put it here. It looks nice. And okay, don't call it first floor architectural plan, we call it ground floor plan. Apply. Okay, done. And then we also want it to be 1 to 50 scale. Okay, also done. Now put it nicely here. And then our writing is actually quite small. Yep, very small suddenly. It's okay, we will just keep it like that. Okay, so this is the ground. Then we want to move this level 1 also, but level 1, if you see, this is blue, meaning that it's already in some other sheet, which will not allow us to bring it here. So we will go down, we will check the floor plans, see level 1, we will delete this one, remove from sheet, and then it becomes white. We bring it here. Oh, we don't want the box. Let's go to level 1, same, click on the box, and then scope box, none, we make small, and then take out the region, and now we can move this one also here, change the scale to 150, put it nicely aligned with the ground floor plan, and we want to call it just level 1. Okay, done. Now one last plan, which is the roof plan. Same thing, we go to level 2 and we get rid of this one, smaller, and now we can bring it to this. Here also scope box should be none, meaning that we can actually cancel this one with crop region variable. Now let's go back to level 2 and then let's try to find out what's wrong. View overall, so we can see the scope box, none, apply, one, apply. Okay, we delete this one and go here, level 2. Now we just simply bring this one here and change the scale to 150. Great. Instead of, okay, we can call it level 2 or we can even call it roof plan. Select this, we will call it title on the sheet, roof plan. Done. So we got our plans, and now we want to bring in the section. The same thing, we go to the section, the crop box is already there, just take it out. Okay, and then we go to our sheet and find the section, 1. Bring it here, change the scale to 150. Okay, just the location. Okay, so section drawing is also here. Now the last one is we want to bring in the 3D. So for bringing the 3D, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this one, duplicate view, duplicate. So we have a 3D copy, and then I want to see something like that. So we can go to this view, and then we can, this is the region, we can make it smaller. Turn on the shadow from here, so make a little bit more space for the shadow, and then okay, 3D copy 1. I don't know why it is floating, but let it float. Okay, and we go to this shape and we bring in our 3D copy 1 here. Okay, also make it bigger. I think that's enough. Put it somewhere here. Put it up a little bit. No, the previous one was good. Okay, so what we don't want to see is the crop box. Apply. Now this is how you can arrange your drawings in a sheet in Revit, and then once done you can save it in PDF and you can print. Okay, and don't forget to um, take screenshots for the assignment. So with that, and this is additional 3D view, feel free once you are here, then feel free to actually explore how you want to um, capture more view of the building. Okay, you can put trees, you can put humans, you can put materials. Just explore how you want to make the building, the basic one, better. Okay, and then just compile all the screenshot exactly like this and submit for the stage um, 4. It's supposed to be a stage 4, not a stage 3. Okay, so thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.